Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete temp files in Windows 11. Type %temp %. Delete all files and folders. Type temp. Delete all files and folders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.